Welcome to the Cool English Podcast, where I bring you English vocab, culture, pronunciation, and much more. Hello! Today we're going over months of the year. This is a great set to review or to learn to help you with this common vocab. So let's go one by one. We have the first month of the year. It marks a fresh start with people's making New Year's resolutions. One of the coldest months in many countries. January. So one more time, January. Next, the second month, or the shortest month of the year with only 28 or 29 days. It's also known as the month of love, with many people celebrating Valentine's Day on the 14th.
February.
The second month. The third month brings the first signs of spring in many parts of the world. Flowers are blooming, the weather gets warmer. We have St. Patrick's Day.
March.
The month of March. Next, the fourth month is known for its rainy weather, which helps the flowers grow. It begins with a day dedicated to jokes and pranks. That would be
April.
So we talk about April showers, meaning the rain of April, or April Fool's Day, the first day of April. Next, the fifth month. In many places, this is a warm and sunny month where flowers are in full bloom. Many countries celebrate a special day to honor mothers. This is
May.
May is the month of Mother's Day. Next, this month marks the beginning of summer in many places. Schools begin to close for summer vacation, and people start visiting the beach more often.
June
is the start of summer. A lot of kids get off school for summer vacation and go to the beach in the month of June, the sixth month of the year. Next, this is one of the hottest months of the year. In some countries, people celebrate their independence with fireworks and barbecues. So that would be
July.
July is the 4th of July is Independence Day in the United States, and July is kind of our second month of summer. Most kids are out of school for June and July. Next, the 8th month is going to be the hottest month of the year in many places. It's a time for vacation, swimming, and enjoying the outdoors right before school starts again.
August,
the 8th month. So school normally starts in the middle of August. So it's kind of the end of summer, right before school starts, August. The 9th month signals the beginning of fall or autumn in many countries. Leaves start changing colors and students return to school after summer break.
September.
The 10th month is known for a spooky celebration at the end of the month when people dress in costumes and go trick-or-treating.
October.
So in October we have Halloween, and it's a fun time to go out and get some candy. The 11th month is known for gratitude in the United States, where families gather for a big meal featuring turkey and mashed potatoes and pumpkin pie. This is the month of
November.
We have Thanksgiving in November. And finally, the last month of the year, many people celebrate holidays with decorations, gift giving, and winter activities in
December,
the 12th month. So one more time, we have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, and December. And we might, for example, ask, what is known as the month of love with Valentine's? I would say, well, that's February. February is known as a month of love. Mother's Day is in, and the weather is warm. Well, we think Mother's Day is in May, right? May for Mother's Day. Independence Day is in with fireworks and barbecues. Well, in America, that's in July, the 4th of July. And I might say, for example, in we celebrate New Year's Eve. So I would say in January, celebrate New Year's Eve. How about a little flashcards? And I'd say January is the first month, or August is the 8th month. You could flip it and say, well, what is the 9th month? That's September. Or the 11th month? That's November. You might try some open questions. For example, April. Have you ever played a joke on April Fool's Day? Or March. What do you like about spring? It's common to hear these in movies and TV shows. So try to hear and repeat. What are the 2 months you hear?
We started dating in June.
Until February.
I think you said June and February. What about this one?
Snow in July.
A tornado in January.
I think you said snow in July and a tornado in January. Another great way is just looking at the definition. So
The first month of the year, it is the start of a new year, and people make resolutions.
The first month of the year, it's the start of a new year, and people make resolutions. I think that's January. And as you can see, this is a great way to review. Please check out coolenglish.net for the full activity. Have a great week.
You want to learn
English?
Cool English.
Do you want to learn
Cool English.
cool English, dude? English.